When you guys hear the word gay scene, what do you think? Is that like the nightlife, the friends, going out, the parties? I'm not really sure, but I have a subscriber that asked a question and I thought it would be a perfect topic for a video. So, we're going to just basically jump right into it. If you guys have any questions, comment them down below, DM me on Instagram, hit me up on my social media. It's all in the description box. But his question I thought was really good. Do you have any tips on how to start exploring the gay scene? I'm interested but would but would like some pointers if you have any. Okay, so I thought this was a great question because let's say you are newly you are newly gay, or you're coming to terms with it, or you're exploring this idea. How do you get into the gay scene, and what exactly is the gay scene? Now, that I truly don't know what he's talking about. For the gay scene, are you saying like friends going out at night, like the nightlife of the gay scene, meeting other people, hooking up, finding a relationship? I feel like there's so many things to this, but this is how I would this is how I would start over if I could start over. And first thing I would do is, once I acknowledged the fact that I was gay and I wanted to explore and find out maybe who I am or just know more, I would join some type of league, whether it is a LGBT kickball league like I'm on now, a sports league, because that's what I can relate to. I don't know if there's like an LGBT like book club, or there's fitness classes that are designed or designated for that. But I would join some type of league or community to just make friends. I feel like that is a very important aspect when being introduced to this community or your community. You want to have friends, you want to be able to talk to people, you want to be able to ask them questions and feel comfortable. I would not want to do it alone or by myself, because there's just certain situations where you're going to want some friends to maybe help you or guide you along this process, whether it's your first date, or trying to go in a relationship, going out to nightclubs. There's different clubs out there where I would have had no idea they were even out there if it wasn't for our friends, specifically Fernando and George. I'll give you an example. There's a place called Wilton Manors, okay? And in Wilton, there's a bar or club or whatever called the Eagle. Now, there's a different section in the Eagle, the place, which can be a little more R-rated, X-rated, you know, and so I would have no idea about that. You could get yourself into situations um, where you feel like, I don't know, maybe you feel scared, or you're like, this isn't for me, or this is too much. I don't know if I can do this. And to have somebody there that can kind of explain things to you, that can show you the way so you don't feel as overwhelmed, I think is a very, very good idea. So I personally would join some type of group, make some friends, just going out to dinner with them, doing activities, bowling, going to art festivals, whatever it may be. Make some friends that way and let them help you become more comfortable in the gay scene. And having someone that you can bounce ideas off of, or you can ask questions and not feel judged, is an amazing experience. And I never really even thought that I had these. I never really had these type of friends until recently, probably a year and a half, 2 years ago. All my friends were straight, and they didn't really know anything about the 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 nightlife or the bar or club scene, and that's not really my thing either, but I did want to experience it to see what was out there. And with my straight friends, they would have had no clue, about any of that. So, my tip, try to make some friends and let them help you along the way. Now, if you guys have made it this far in the video, if you have any questions that you would like me to answer, if you have any tips or anything like that, comment them down below for people that may be going through this situation. I had the subscriber ask me this question. What would you guys do or have tips or tricks to introduce yourself to the gay scene? And I know that could be a very broad statement, but what do you think was the biggest thing that helped you guys? I just want to say I love you all. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Thank you for all the love on my mom's video when I did the interview with her. Let me know what you guys thought about that. And remember, I love you guys. If you want to join the channel, we go live every Wednesday night at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. All right. Love you guys. Peace.